Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I will show you a wonderful opportunity where you can trade without any fear. Yeah, you heard rightly. So, if you don't want to trade every day in intraday trading, then you can very well choose for the positional trading. That too with the Bank Nifty monthly expiry. Okay. I tell you how to do that without any huge loss. Okay. So now I have given you the MST I10 2.0 indicator with the day time frame. I have kept here what I have kept here day time frame. Whenever market is coming and touching our buy zone, this level, what we can take? Instead of taking immediate entry, we can let the market to rest for some time. Once we get some doji pattern or any bullish candlestick patterns like hammer, bullish engulfing and all, then you can take the entry. How to take? Suppose say this is the scenario. Now market is falling with a huge body. In the next candle, it is indicating that market is giving a kind of bullish pattern. How? The wick is bigger than the body. Can you notice this candle? This candle that is on 7th August, it is indicating market is going towards the bullish side. Bullish side. Okay. So now what we can take? Go to monthly expiry and take the midpoint. That is 52,000 call option. 52,000 call option monthly expiry, you will be getting at cheaper price. Also, what you have to do, 1000 points below or 500 points below. Whatever is the differences between this point to this point, that difference point you can adjust to the out of the money put option. Suppose say you are taking 52,000 call option buy. At the same time you take 49,000 put option or 48,500 put option. Just take and leave it. If market is falling suddenly to this side, this put option what you have bought will be saving your capital. If market is going as per your decision, that is the buy side, you will be getting huge profit. So one way you will be losing, other way you will be getting profit. The one way what you will be losing might become your savior. Suppose if something happens in the market. But fortunately, as per the indicator, it is always giving us the profit. See here, buy activated at 50,249, but we have taken the entry in the midpoint 49,779. From 49,700 to the high made is 54,467. So how many points? Here 49, 54, 5,000 plus points you have got the profit. 5,000 points you have got in a single month expiry. Okay, August to when it has reached in September. Within a month we have got 4,000 points profit in Bank Nifty. Again from September 10, September 20, before actually we were telling from September 10 and this day we informed you market has to reach 54,000. From there it will fall. Okay, exactly it has reached the 54,000 and the midpoint, and from there market has fallen from 54,467 to our buy zone, that is 50,249. Exactly it has touched here. Can you notice here what is the low? 50,194. Just 50 points went down after our buy zone. Again we have taken the entry here at 50,000. So what you can take? The midpoint you can take 52,000 again call option buy, and here 48,500 put option buy for the insurance. Suppose if something happens in the market suddenly overnight, some 2,000 points or 1,000 points fallen, then that put option will be saving us. So from here to here, how much profit you have got? 50,249 to 52,127 is almost nearing. Okay, 2000 points profit, 2000 plus points profit. From here to here 4000, from there to here 4000, again from here to here 2000. Totally 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10,000 points profit so far we have got. So this single indicator, the single method, it will give you profit always. Okay, this is for the positional entry. Sir, can we use the same indicator, same supply zone and demand zone in a 1 minute time frame? It's a very good question. You just change the time frame and check what it has given. This is today's trade. Okay, today market has no movement, proper movement, but what we have got in this indicator you can check. Sell activated, first target, second target, third target, fourth target hit. Again buy activated, first 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 target hit. So how many times it is respecting our demand zone? Exactly, tip to tip we are getting the entry and exit. So this is how our indicator is working every day, very perfectly and accurately. So don't miss such a wonderful indicator. Invest for your lifetime. First year annual maintenance charge will be free. If you are going for lifetime validity, first year annual maintenance charge, that is server charge, will be free. From second year onwards, everyone has to pay minimum 999 rupees for the server maintenance. Whoever has got already with offer or without offer, they also have to pay every month 999 rupees. Otherwise we cannot give you service, which we have mentioned already in the indicator itself, terms and conditions. See here at the bottom you can see we are not SEBI registered, and this tool or indicator is only for educational purpose, and by using our tool you are completely accepting and agreeing to all our terms and conditions. Lifetime validity means 5 years only and subject to trading.com house rules and Nifty School of Trading terms and conditions. This tool is given to you only for personal use. Once again I read this. This tool is given to you only for personal use, not to be used for commercial purpose. If used, this tool will be removed from your trading ID and subsequent actions will be taken against you. And we never contact anyone for PMS, that is portfolio management service, that is account handling. Inform us if anyone is contacting you in our name. Okay, you also don't give your account to anyone. You trade, you make mistakes and learn from the mistakes, and don't ever repeat the same mistakes. So this video is exclusively for how to use our MST I-Trend 2.0 dynamic supply and demand zone. So whatever is the time frame you are using, this indicator will give you perfect entry and perfect exit. See here, morning at 12:20 morning, here we have got here. So morning we didn't get entry, but buy entry we have got. At 10:25 AM we got buy entry, almost 2 targets hit. Again buy entry, targets hit. Again buy entry, almost first target hit. Then here only we are taking this entry and this entry. Then another zone will be formed. Once one zone is closed, another zone will be formed. So here we have to wait for the entry. Sell activated, first target hit. Sell activated, first target hit. Second target hit. Third target hit. Fourth target hit. Again buy activated. It keeps on giving us profit in the session. So though today is expiry, it was in a sideways, but we were in the profit. Okay, hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you. We wish everyone to have a profitable trades every day. Thank you all. Bye-bye. All the best. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and join our free Telegram group, MST School of Trading. Thank you all. Bye-bye.